let's take a closer look at the search function in Google Drive. In the main screen in the centre of your Google Drive, at the top you've got the search bar here. Click in there and you can type in a keyword of what you're looking for. While you're typing, you'll notice that a suggestion list appears. This can be handy if the thing that you're looking for immediately appears and you can click on it, but it can also make it difficult to identify the exact location of the document, so I would recommend tapping the enter key once you have finished typing in what you're looking for. And now we've got a list of all the files and folders that contain that keyword. So I can click on one of these and you'll see at the bottom the file location appears and it shows me which folder that I will find that inside of. So that can be handy if you're looking for the general materials that are related to that title. You might find them in the folder. As well as the basic search, you also have an advanced search. So if I click in the box again and just clear that search, you'll see the symbol on the right here, or the words advanced search at the bottom, and they will take you to the advanced search function. You also have a list of types of file, which will filter the type of file that the Drive searches for you. Let's click on advanced search. And you can see there's a variety of drop-down menus here. So we've got the type of file, so again that's your list of different document types that we had on the previous page. The owner, so who owns the file, if you know who it belongs to. You can include keywords that are found in the file, so if you can't remember the title of or the name of the file, but you remember what it roughly was about, you can type in a few keywords there and it will search for within the documents the keywords that are inside that file and help you to find what you're looking for. There's the standard box for the name of the item, and then scrolling down, if you know the location, the date it was modified, and all the different clues that you might have that help you to find your file. Once you've searched, you've got a list of filters at the top here. So if the thing that I'm looking for hasn't immediately appeared at the beginning, and I think, well, actually, no, I know that that was a slide presentation, I can use that filter within the search that I've made to find these are the slide presentations that are relevant to that topic that I've searched for. And again, I can use those other clues that I might have after I've done the immediate search. Or if that's not helped, I can clear all of those and go back to the original list. It's a very powerful search function, and if you use appropriate naming conventions for your documents, then it's a lot easier to find what you're looking for by using the search function rather than trawling through lots of folders. I hope this was helpful.